Hurricane Dorian, the strongest storm ever to hit the Bahamas, has killed at least 5 people, destroyed 13,000 houses, and left countless residents homeless. Hurricane Dorian unleashed massive flooding across the Bahamas. Officials in the Bahamas said they have received a tremendous number of calls from people in flooded homes. A radio station received more than 2,000 distress messages, including reports of a 5-month-old baby stranded on a roof and a grandmother with 6 grandchildren who cut a hole in a roof to escape rising floodwaters. Other reports involved a group of 8 children and 5 adults stranded on a highway and 2 storm shelters that flooded. The storm is lingering over the islands, continuing to pound the same devastated places. Forecasters predict Dorian will move closer to Florida on Tuesday, and millions of Americans are under mandatory evacuation orders. Hurricane Dorian has caused more than 1,300 flights to be canceled within, as well as into and out of, the U.S. Please subscribe Nurjahan and press the bell icon to get updated with breaking news of the current world. Thank you.